Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Tuesday, May 30th, going to do my nightly video on gold. Gold weekly again from the bottom is still setting higher highs and higher lows. So we have low, high, a higher low, higher high, another higher low, and we obviously need to continue the trend. We need to break this 97.40 wall and pretty much break 1300. As far as the daily goes, we did have that bull break of the tightening pattern on the daily. So you saw the daily in a tightening triangle pattern here, and we did break bullish from it, and we back tested the 4 EMA today, successfully held a back test. Looks like we may get another back test here, but as long as gold's above this 8 EMA here, bulls are still in control on the daily. And the hourly is beginning to look a lot like this daily pattern that we had here. It's tightening, so we should get a break one way or the other. So gold, you can see that it's tightening in this triangle pattern here. It's getting tighter and tighter. And so hopefully we'll get a break soon. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, something you can monitor is that we have multiple inside candles here on the 4-hour chart to look for. And inside candles, as a reminder, is when the high and low, including the wicks, are within the previous range candles, high and low. So that's an inside candle. We have an inside of an inside candle. Currently forming just another inside candle here. So if we do break one way or the other, a bull break would be a close above 1266.50. We close above that on the close of this 4-hour candle, and a bear break will be if we close below 1264.70 on this hourly candle, with confirmation by breaking the obviously the first candle here before the first inside candle high of 1268, and for bears to break below 1261.80. So we'll see how that goes. And if we do break bull from this candle, on this candle, then we're likely going to regain this 20 EMA and the 4 and 8 EMAs. And regain that 80 EMA will be positive for the bulls to continue this bounce. So just looking at the miners here. Senior miners, again, that daily, we still have that longer term. With the daily chart. The daily, we still have that longer term downtrend line that we need to get above. As far as the hourly goes, we have this hourly downtrend resistance line that we need to break. So we have this low here. We have a higher low. We have this high, low, a higher low, a higher high. Currently setting another higher low. We need to break this to continue that pattern. And of course, we need to break that downtrend line here. And if we break above, continue to set higher highs from this bottom here on the hourly, then we're gonna break this downtrend line. And we need to get a close above there. As far as the daily chart goes, we can see it clearly in a range, just bouncing back and forth here. And so we are close to a TCG bear cross, but we've just been bouncing back and forth. We've gained the 4 and 8 EMAs, lost it, gained it, lost it. So we had a gap up, gap down. So we're just in a range, no clear direction as far as the daily goes. Obviously, we need a break here clearly one way or another, and what I'm going to look for at this point again is going to look for that break of that downtrend hourly line that I just posted. As far as the junior miners go, same thing. We have some hourly resistance on downtrend. Draw a line here, somewhere like this, that we need to break at some point. But same thing as senior miners. Since this low here, we have a high here, we have a low. Let's see if we have a higher high or a double top. So the high here was 32.41. High here was 32.37. So senior miners are stronger because the junior miners, we have a higher low, but we have a lower high, unlike the senior miners, which set a higher high on the hourly. So we need to break that trend and set a higher high here on this bounce. As far as the longer term weekly goes, I'm kind of looking at these two trend lines on the weekly. We may just break out of this because of us running out of time. But the longer term weekly, we still do have a bear TCG cross. Again, TCG bear cross when the 4 EMA is under the 8 EMA, and we have been bearish since then on the weekly chart. So we do have 2 tops here on this trend line here, and 2 bottoms here on the trend line. So we'll see if this pattern works out and we get a break one way or the other, confirming bull or bear breakout of this tightening triangle weekly pattern. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.